7, 8, 9. Microphone testing completed successfully. Hey guys. I've just done completing testing my microphone. It's probably working fine, right? So this time I've got my task already written up here. This is like let's write it and let's read it from the beginning to better understand what we need here. Like the first step is to declare a one-dimensional Z array of integers. And the second step is to rewrite elements of the Z array that are divisible by 3 without reminder into an array C. The list elements and the other part of the elements, not the list but the other part of the elements into an array D. Let's mention it doesn't say like declare an array D or declare an array C. It just says like write into it, into C, into D. And it doesn't say like declare or where those arrays come from. Should I magically get them out of my socks or I don't know, under my bed? Just look under my bed and say like, oh, that's an D array. Oh, that's a C array. I can put my values down there. No, it doesn't work like this. Inside of the task, it should be like written that you should declare, if you say like declare the array Z, you should also say like declare the array C and array D. And that's it. So one by one, sort by ascending order. Like first, like 1, 2, 3 inside of the indexes 0, 1, 2. That's the ascending order. Right, so let's declare the array D and array C and array D. They're gonna be also the same length as our array called Z. Also integers, everything here is the integer. It's also interesting that the first said arrays the C and then the array D. Like if there was an alphabet order there, then it would also say that we should first declare an array D and then array C. Like, but we put first the values into an array C and then an array D. That's like some misconception here. I see some misunderstanding of the alphabet order from the creator of this task. So, but that doesn't really matter. Let's initialize the Z array first from first element to last element, and let's assign values. Let's use the assignment operator, and let's assign the Z element under the index I, the I value. So now we can use our build compilation. Hotkey is Ctrl F9. Well, I haven't done something right. Have not declared the I. I have not declared the I iterator variable, and Control F9 compilation is completed successfully. Right, so into the array C, we should put all the values that are divisible by 3 without reminders. So, well, let's say like C index is an integer variable used to store the index of the C array. And then this is gonna be the D index variable to store the index of a D array, and the variables, and the values that are stored inside of the D array will have the D index. Well, let's first open our 4 tasks where I written the program to sort xarray by the ascending order from last element and the descending order from the last element and the ascending order from the first element. Well, let's copy this already working solution. Let's copy this already working solution from here to here. Like sort the Z array this time. Sort Z array this time, and instead of, we'll also declare here the K variable to count the times that we swap elements. So instead of car, well, let's say it's a car. Let's say it's a car instead of I. We can also use car index, like current index, instead of an I variable to better understand what's going on. Right, let's compile Control F9. Something's wrong here. Yeah, instead of I, we use car. And instead of X array, we use the Z array. Z array instead of an X array. Pretty much simple. Control F9. And the temporary variable, we've forgotten to declare our temporary variable that is also an integer, that also has the integer type. Well, let's compilation successful. Compilation successful. The order is probably saved. We probably saved the order. We've probably saved the order, and now we can fill in those D and C arrays. So for the C array, let's say from the current equals first to last, do begin for current equals first to last to begin. So now what we're doing now is we're rewriting the elements from the array Z. Those are divisible with a remainder by 3 into array C, and others into array D. So let's say if the current element of the array Z is divisible by 3 without remainder, then equals 0. Then let's place this value into the array C. Into the array C under the C index. Under the C index. Under the index C. Well, let's first fill in the if statement. So the C array C index equals the Z array current index. And we will increase here the C index by 1 because we put the elements one by one following each other, like because we need this ascending order, and then we'll put here an else statement. All other values will be stored inside of the Z array. So we write the Z array Z index equals to Z current, and then we will increase the Z index by 1 to keep the ascending order inside of those two arrays. So now we can compile this Control F9 as always, and then we can also write these two arrays, one on each separate line. So let's say current equals first to last, do begin, and let's write the array D, or maybe first the array C. Let's write the array, there's the array C. Current equals C current, and let's add the white space here. Control F9, everything is fine here. Let's do the same for, let's first, before doing the same, let's write a line here to separate these two arrays by a line, to write them each on each separate line as was said in the task above. Control F9 compilation, press Control F9. Let's see if we've done everything right here. Those are divisible by 3 are stored inside of the C array, and those that aren't divisible by 3 without reminder are stored inside of the G array. We can also do this like until the C index and until the D index, so that we won't see the additional zeros that we don't really need here. D index, C index. So yeah, maybe -1, because there are also zeros there. Yeah, so this is it. that's probably it for today. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your programming and better understanding what is going on here, how to program on Pascal. And you're welcome. You're welcome. This is like this. I'll also scroll this down. You can also maybe, well, this is like this. It's like this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck, guys, and see you next time in the next tutorial. Enjoy.